You know, it's the only way to go. Hey, say hey.
You know what this is about.
Got no problems, my wheelie got nowhere to go. So we ride and we smoke till we can't anymore and keep floating.
Pass it to your man, roll another one and
Keep floating.
when it's almost done, why don't you go and break down enough for another one and roll me some?
Then you can pass that. The kid who rock a snapback, steady blow this hash back until my thoughts are abstract. How to get by, that's how we living in this day and age. I bring some color to a world that's filled with shades of gray. Throwing this cake away to blaze and sip some Tanqueray. Remember spectating till they picked the kid to play the game. Now I'm an all-star, blasted out the ballpark in my Lamborghini, speeding you a golf cart. California dreams, Amsterdam reality. Life ain't what it seems. These the thoughts that we pull out of me. Blow through 1,000 trees, the whole entire crowd gets skied. Living in what seems to be fiction, I'm on the balcony. I light one up, this for those who ever doubted me. Then light another, this for those who hold it down for me. Passing around the weed, no problems at all. And you haters keep on hating, I ain't talking to
Got
y'all.
no problems, my weed